was very interesting talking from the last session I went to court that IC2s are the enabler and the persons, the citizens who are in the end point, in the last mile, they should not feel that for the sake of ICT we are developing the application, giving the hardware, software, and all the resources there. It's not like that. Actually, it's in the implemented point of view. We can have so many things, so many matters, so many things to we want to incorporate depending on the technology we have. But at the end point, what the customer needs is the most important. So in the NIC, in the e-governance perspective, there are actually Government of India thought of there are three layers of infrastructure. First layer is the CSE, which already is discussed in my last session. Whereas this is the end by last mile of the CSE at the village level, where the people will be accessing about the information of their needs. It's just like the one-stop shop back from the people will be getting all the services of their needs. And it's not that the endpoints, that is CSE level, nothing is available. Actually, the data and resource, data and software application, everything is available at some other point. And in between, the connectivity is given by the government that here, small state wide network. Here we have 2 Mbps line connected to CSE to up to district level, from district level to block level 2 Mbps, and block level depends from through wireless or through lease line connectivity we are giving to the last mile. So earlier what happens when we are doing the only the MIS activities, that is the G2G activities, our model was that okay 10 to 5 or 10 to 6 or 10 to 7. Within that time we are opening the servers and closing the servers. But nowadays, every services are requiring 24/7 services. Where all the servers can supply, because it's very costly to the department to maintain all the server rooms to have the 24/7 services. That's why this concept of the data center has come up, where Government of India has funded all states to have a data center with state IT department initiative. And here in Odisha, we have a state and a full-fledged state data center working since last 1 year. So we have the data center here which are having data and application, and CS is the last mile for the citizens. In between is the connectivity, that is the state-wide area network. So bandwidth is not a problem now because our data center is connected to NCN, that is the National Knowledge Network, which is of 1000 Mbps line, which we tell now our information superhighway. Government of India has funded this, and it is connecting to all the states. So our city, Odisha State Data Center, Tier 2 data center, where uptime is 99.5%. So hardly for a year, hardly we have 20 hours of time for that is related due to maintenance activity. Everything here is redundant power supply, network redundant, so server redundancy, and database working in a cluster mode. Everything is high available, means everything is redundant. We have got here enterprise management to look after the health of the server as well as the application and database. Here we have got building management system for getting a secured environment. We have got a CCTV camera to look at all the activities of data center area. We have got water leakage indicator. We have got rodent repellent system. We have got physically security, two-tier security. Our security as well as peripheral security. To guard the data center. So data, main today's topic is the data security. We have got another in the BMS. We have got biometric authentication, system surveillance, and access card system to access inside the critical areas. Regarding the data security, we have got data available here in the water data center, and to have the data backup. We have got enough arrangement in backend made, and also we have got a DR facility at New Delhi for any exigencies. We can have data back out from the remote site. Here also for critical access applications we are suggesting ECP, so one ECP site to be maintained, so that in case of, because in all NICs having the facility of the data level backup, not the application level backup. That's why we are suggesting all the critical applications to whoever have, they can have their own PCP arrangement in case there is a mishap or there is any sort of problem. They can manage it from their PCP side. DRC, we are managing it for only for data backup. Any organization they want to have their facilities in our data center, in national data center, which are acting our DR, they can purchase their own hardware and they can install there. We have got to have security at network level, at router level, at IPS level, firewall, everywhere in a highly HA mode. We have got here security, semantic, deep security, then semantic endpoint protection we have. All the processes are being supervised by, we have got a third-party auditor, which is our Ernst & Young. And to look after that each activity, there is STPC audit is there that is being done yearly twice. We are having that all the processes are audited by STPC as well as ISO certification. We have process of getting ISO certificate to get all the process level certification. And now we are moving towards the cloud environment. Our data center is moving towards cloud environment. So our main intention is to have the security, data security first, because unless data is there, then we are getting a missing link between citizen and the applications or services what we are getting. So for that actually it is the responsibility of the department to assess the critical application, criticality of the application, accordingly plan. To come to our data center, I can say there is a process is there. The department interested to host their data in the data center. First of all, they have had to write to our IT secretary, requesting that they want to migrate their application to data center. Then, depending on their requirement, we will have a discussion. We will have a discussion with their technical persons as well as the department personnel. Whatever platform they have, whether it is available or with us or not. In case we have their platform is available, we can directly allow them in my directly 100% my share hosting mode. If they have a different application, they can go out for the co-location model where they will purchase their own network, own server and own software, and we will simply give the rack space and secured environment. About the data agencies, data is the primary property of the department and of course property of the citizen. It should be highly secured. If it is put in a state data center, I think we can say it is 100% secure. So I request to the departments, whoever present, they should host their data in data center instead of going to some other vendors or anybody else. Because if they are in government, then they are safe. If they are outside, I can't say anything comment on that.